Hello there, guys. We are going to get some ramens. Gonna get some ramens from the get some ramens. Need some light. Come on, need some light. Get your flash, yeah, get your flash. Whoa, why does it look all like light up? I'm probably in the moon. Where's my mom's car?
It is, look how bright it is.
Oh, Jesus Christ! Anyways, trunk here.
Where's Calico? Oh God, my tummy hurts.
Okay, here. Let's go. Holy crap, look at the moon! Alright. The secret weapon should be in here. Oh, you lost it. Open it! Oh, they're not in the trunk. Oh, okay. We got the secret weapon. Secret weapon engage. Let's go. Holy crap. Yep, it's dark in the neighborhood. Moon! Oh crap, you scared me!
Kelly.
Bad cat.
Kelly.
You're a bad cat.
Melissa!
Crap.
It's the wrong way to open it. I
Oh my gosh.
Shut the door.
was trying to press it.
Lucky one, Phelps got two.
Oh man.
Go put this in the kitchen.
Oh man. That was funny. That was so funny. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, please, because you're gonna make that car beeping. That's funny. Anyway, subscribe, please. Remember, click the button below. Peace out.